Hello and welcome back to Creative Craft Time. Today I've got a great craft for kids. So if you're a kid, you'll love this craft, or if you've got kids in your life, you'll have all the supplies at home. It doesn't take long. It's heaps of fun. You'll love it. Let's get to it.
All right, so here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make these tissue flowers. A little bit different to tissue paper flowers, which is another video that I can show you how to do another time. But I like these because it's just simple supplies that everyone would have at home, and it means that you can make lots of things and not use up too many supplies. So, tissues, sticky tape, some felt pens or textures of your choice, straws, so paper straws, just got these at Woolworths, and if you like you can make your flowers smelly by putting some perfume or even some essential oils. You could put some lavender on or something calming like that, or anything you like to make your flowers smell nice, and the fragrance will waft around the room. All right, so to get started, just move some of these bits to the side to give us a little bit of working room here. You will need 5 tissues. So you can use more tissues, but I just find 5 is good. You could use 6 or 10, I guess. 3, 4, 5. Is that 5? 1, 2. I'm going to add another one. Crazy today. 6. All right, so they just need to be one on top of each other, nice and neat like that. And then it's just a matter of fan folding or concertina folding. So forwards and backwards and forwards and backwards, forwards, backwards, making sure you hold on to all of the tissues all at once. Backwards and forwards and backwards, all the way to the end. And then when you've got it to the end, this is when you use your straw. Bendy straws used to be great for this, but of course they were plastic and we don't have plastic anymore, so we use the paper straws. You could also use a chenille stick or a pipe cleaner, that would work as well. Sticky tape, need a decent amount of sticky tape. So you're just going to wrap it around here just to make that straw stay in place, and then you get like a bow tie shaped object. And then it's just, oh, nearly forgot, then we scrunch them all up like this, so we've got all of the ends showing. And now we're going to color. So you can use any colors you like here. I just picked these 3. You could use you can just do 1 color, 2 colors, rainbow colors, whatever you like. So we just coloring all over the ends here, and you can get down in there a little bit as well. It's a good idea. And you can add more color once you've finished the project as well, but this tends to be the best time to do the coloring. Right, pop him away. Let's add some blue. You can do, if you're having a party and it's got a color theme, you could make these to match your color theme. Or when I've worked with children before, they've done them colors of their room, their bedspread, or however their room has been decorated. I had a little girl once color them black because she liked black and white, so that was all good. Whatever you like, you can use. Lots of color in there. Yeah. And our 3rd color today. Come on. Probably use ink pad as well to do this. Paint, maybe. But get creative. Do all sorts of different things. Yeah. All right, so I've got some color happening there. And then what we do is we create the shape of the flower. So we open up our bow tie And you can see that on the ends we've got some colour. And it's just opening layer by layer into the middle. So holding that one side and just peeling each petal into the middle. And this is really easy for children of all ages. I've had children in primary school, lower primary, make these. It's the same technique for when you make tissue paper flowers as well. Okay, one side done. Now the other. I will often do one side and then hand it to the child and let them do the other, or get them started and then pass it to them. Because, yeah, I mean, we could make things for kids ourselves, but then they don't learn. It's good for kids to learn how to do things themselves, and they can repeat it again. All right, so we are done, but it looks a bit too full, doesn't it? It's a bit too much. So if you just pull it in a bit, you can see that you start to get more of that carnation shape, I suppose. And then I just use some sticky tape again. Isn't that noisy? And I just wrap it around this bottom bit. I like to bud it up, I suppose, just like real flowers grow, come from a bud, don't they? And then it's just a matter of spreading out the petals and, you know, designing the flower the way that you want it to look, whatever you're happy with. And it's okay if you get these little bits that, you know, rip off or fall off, because they're easy just to remove. And at this point, if you want to, you can add more color. So if you wanted to add a little bit more pink on the ends here, I saw there was like some bits that didn't have any color. You could just do a little bit more color around, but it is easier to do it when it's all bunched up at the start. You can certainly add more color in there. Get the flower to look however you like. And the white tissues are great because you can color them. Obviously you can use colored tissues as well, and that'll work easy as well. Yeah. All right, and then to add some fragrance, if you want to have a smelly flower, you just grab your perfume or essential oil, whatever you like, and then just give it a spray. You'll notice that the flowers start to blend. Oh, sorry, the colors start to blend a bit too. Yeah, look at that. Lovely. And then what you can do, if you like, is you could add some cardboard leaves to the stem. You can wrap ribbon around the stem. You can wrap a ribbon around this budded part. You can do whatever you like. And then if you've got a couple of them together, let me grab this guy out of here. You can begin to actually have a bunch of flowers. Yeah, adding more every time. Really easy project to make. Few supplies that you all have at home. Have fun making flowers out of tissues. Bye.